Hello everyone, how are you doing out there? I hope you are doing great. It's me again, Rafi Yakub from Exact Graphics and Multimedia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can design table calendar using Coreldraw. This particular tutorial, you can use any type of Corel version. It can be Corel X5, X6, X7, whatsoever version of your choice. You are good to go with this type of table calendar design. But in this tutorial, I'm using Corel X5. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you create your page to be at 297.0 millimeter, then by height of 210 millimeter. Then you make sure that your paper is in landscape orientation. Alright, so now the next step to take is to create a page border. Go to rectangle tools, double click on it to have your page border automatically update. Alright, so now we need a guide ruler to centralize, to determine the midpoint of our shape, something like this. Alright, so the next step to take is to draw another rectangle, something like this. Once you are done with your draw, then right click on the new drawing, then convert it to curve. When you convert it to curve, select shape tools, then double click the middle here. Then when you get to menu bar here, select convert to curve, then you now drag it out. Right, drag it out this way. Drag it out, second one. Right, so once you are done, then you press on the space bar on your keyboard. Right, so the next step to take is to go to our pen tools to do normal sketch. All right, so you look for your pen tools at the tools bar. All right, freehand tools, click it down, then select pen tools. So when you select pen tools, then you begin to sketch your style. Right, so the next step to take now is to sketch another shape at the bottom here. And we connect it with this particular one. And we make sure that you close your part at this place. Okay, so now go back to your pick tools. We need to work on this particular shape. Go back to your shape tools. You need to click on this middle. Then once you are done, then you select this one, then you drag it out more. Just need it this way. Then once you are done, you click on pick tools. Alright, so the next step to take now is to sketch another shape. Go back to your pen tools, then start to sketch. Oh, sorry, press Ctrl Z. Make sure you connect it here as a node. Then close the part here. Alright. Next step to take is to go to Edit, click on Copy, go back to Edit, click on Paste, then rotate to mirror vertical, then mirror horizontal, right? Mirror vertical, mirror horizontal, right? So let us zoom it out to see the entire document. So having done that, then you now drag it out. No, let's delete it away. Go back to my pen tools. Right, create node here, and you close it at this point, and make sure you close your node at this point also. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to come down below here and create another shape. Make sure you close the node here also. Then you take it down below here and close the node. Okay, so come to this place and create another shape. Make sure you create a node here, and make sure you close the node here, and finally close shape here. Alright, so the next step to take now is to sketch another shape at this point, to this place here. Then you close it here. Make sure you close the node here. Okay, then continue the shape like that. Create another shape here. Make sure you close the node here. Close the node here. Alright, so the next thing to do is to create another shape here also. Make sure you create the node here at the edge. Make sure you close it here. And finally you close your node here. Okay, go back to your pick tools. Then you now fill the color of your design. Okay, so now let's start from the top here and fill this one with sky blue, CMYK, and fill the opposite color also. But we have to change the nature of the blue, so we can look for another blue color. As far as this is concerned, we are using this particular blue. Okay, so now let's go back to down below here. We fill this one with sky blue CMYK, and we fill this one with let's fill this one with this blue, then fill this one with our sky blue. Okay, so now let's come down below here and fill this particular one with our sky blue. Then we fill this one with our blue. Right, so now the next thing we are going to do is to fill this particular one with black. Let's look for black. Right, black. Fill this one with black, and we'll come to this place also. Let's fill this one also with black, this one also with black. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I need to curve the shape at this point. Go back to my pen tools and curve it like this, something like this. Close your node here, and we'll fill this one with black, right? So once you are done, you go back to your pick tools. So now at this point now, we can delete our ruler. Right click on it and choose delete. Right, so the next step to take now is to bring in my stock photo. So go to import at the menu bar, then you look for where you save your stock photo for the design. Okay, so right, let me try to use this particular picture. Click on import, and now you can place the stock photo. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to power clip this stock photo in my shape. So you go to our effects. Okay, you go to effects, look for power clip, then place inside container. I need it to be placed here. Then right click on it, choose edit content. Then we now place our stock photo inside here. Right, shift key and drag it to expand the stock photo to full the shape. So then once I'm done with the setting, then right click on it and choose finish editing this level. Right, so this is how I want it to look like. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to take away the outline fill of all the shape, highlight, pick everything this way, then come to this particular place and right click on it. All the outline color will go away. Alright, so I hope you learn one or two things in this setting and the sketch. So the next thing is going to be how we can type all the calendars and some other necessary design I'm going to put inside this particular desk calendar. So thank you for watching and see you soon in the part 2 of this design. Bye.